So today we are looking at Flux to Klein expression sheet generator on Floyo. So this is basically an expression sheet generator which usually takes your single character portrait and detects the face and apply a set of expressions to the same character using your single image and adjust a list of some prompts. So let's have a look at the workflow. So this is just a simple pipeline, not a very big workflow. So herein you just upload your input character here, and this is the Flux expression sheet node here, and this is the output where you'll get the outputs of the workflow. So this is basically where all the heavy lifting goes on. And if we'll just enter the subgraph here, so this is basically where the face is getting detected and the in-painting occurs and face detection occurs, sampling occurs, and the final output is then delivered outside. So if you'll have a look at this node, so this is basically where you kind of tell the prompts or basically the expression which you want from your character. Here, like I've set some default expressions for my character, like make the character neutral and relaxed, make character smile softly, and yes, etc. etc. And so this is where like you can just kind of define like what kind of expressions you want for your character. And then moving on, we can go back and just click on the run and it will just make the outputs with the same expressions that you've mentioned in the prompts. So if we'll have a look at the output expressions, so this is the normal character, and if I'll just change this, so the expression changed here, and if I'll go again, change the expression here, so this. So yes, again, we are looking at Flux to Klein expression sheet generator on Floyo, and there are many other verified to run workflows. Just click on the run button and you're good to run the workflows. Thank you.